In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your PDF file to a Word document in your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so the first thing what we need to do is go to a Play or App Store, and then we need to do a search for Microsoft 365 Copilot. So go ahead and download and install that application. You can do that by clicking search, typing in Microsoft 365 like so. That's it here. So yeah, once you've downloaded and installed it, go ahead and open it up. And then once you're inside here, find that PDF file that you'd like to convert. So for this demonstration, I'm going to open up this PDF file that says getting started with OneDrive. So I'm going to open up that PDF file. And now here's that PDF. So now in order to convert this to a Word document, simply just click back, open it up. Now once you're on this page, you want to click on the More button, bottom right hand corner of the page, and right at the top here it's got Edit, Print or Convert to Word. So go ahead and click on Convert to Word. Then it will say Convert PDF to Word doc, convert your PDFs to documents you can edit. Now, in order to do this, you need to go ahead, if you're not premium, you need to be a premium member. So we need to go ahead and see plans. We can do a 30-day free trial, and then you can edit like that and then cancel after your 30-day period to convert that PDF. There's another way we can do this. So go ahead and open up your web browser and then go to Google, type in convert PDF to Word. And if we scroll down, there's a site called thebestpdf.com. So free PDF to Word converter. So click into this. Now from here, we want to go ahead and upload your file. So I'm going to just choose this file here, and then it's going to upload it to thebestpdf.com. And now choose your file format. So keep it at Word, and then go ahead and click on download. And now they're going to say we are processing your document. Give that a few moments. And now in order to download the file, you need to continue with Google, or you can add in your email address. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. So I'm going to, where am I here? Tutorial is. Now I want to click continue.